Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to solve coding problems, understand code faster and debug errors efficiently, using Perplexity AI can seriously boost your productivity. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use Perplexity AI for coding help effectively. Okay, so first thing first, open Perplexity AI. Okay, so go to perplexity.ai or open the mobile app, start a new query, be ready to code. Okay, so now choose the right mode. Okay, so best options are web, writing, or academic. So web is for latest solutions, writing for generating codes, and academic for theory. Okay, so select based on your need, because mode matters in these cases. Okay, so describe your problem clearly. So for example, Python code not working for sorting list, or fix JavaScript error at the undefined variable. Okay, so include language, what you tried, error message, because clarity equals better solution. Okay, so paste your code. So for example, here is my code and paste the code. Okay, so for example, I will show you just an example. Okay, so for example, like this. Okay, here is my code. Okay, and paste the code here. Okay, ask for example what's wrong and get detailed explanation. Okay, so understand the explanations, don't just look at the fix, focus on why the error happened and how to avoid it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.